I've been having an issue with my summer infant monitor, which is that even though this is on and this is on, it's not connecting. And I have to deal with that annoying beep. So annoying. So let's try this. We'll go to add cam. See what happens. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. And I've tried this before, and it always says the same thing, which is no sync. So, I'm going to try something else. I heard that if you turn this off for 15 seconds, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. It starts flashing, and now we need to try this again. Okay, add cam. Let's try. It worked! Yay! I'm so happy. Ta-da! Fixed.